thank you for watching G-Love Show. I'm Masimomo. Thank you for watching. Everyone is doing well. I thank God for that, and I know you're good. Yes, we are here at the World Music Day. It's really funny and day where we're going to have fun, different things. Of course, this day, it has a lot of events, and we are going to be showing them to you. It has been like 128 years. Yes, ever since this thing started. It started with someone. It's called I'm forgetting the name, but I remember Lang is a French minister of culture. Yes, this day it has a lot of events. We have culture artists, different artists upcoming, the ones we know, the celebrities. So I don't want you to miss. Just be with us. We're going to show you everything. As long as you're with us, just know you're going to see everything and you're going to enjoy the show. Just know we have everything you would love to know about this event. We are going to talk about a lot, culture, music, people are going to give us experiences, how they started, how they feel, how did they get to know it. So I just don't want you to miss this as you're watching. I told you that we're going to show you different things, different types of things. We have a lot of things here, as I told you. So I'm going to start with this culture thing. As you're seeing it, it's called Ekilawuli handmade glass products. They make glass products from glasses. We are seeing a lot of things here. I'm seeing a lot. We are going to talk to them. We see how do they do their things. What do they do? Can we be part of them? Can we join them? Which products do they produce to us? So be with us as we're having an interview with them. Don't miss anything.
World Music Day, so we're here to witness it and celebrate it as artists. These are like glass beads, which are made from recycled bottles, which we melt and craft with our hands. So they are, I think, Uganda's first glass beads, I would say.
Wow.
Yeah, so we pick up bottles from different restaurants, bars, and we try to recycle, upcycle, make glasses, make beads, different things.
Bottles?
No, glass bottles.
Glass bottles.
Yeah.
Okay. As you're seeing, this is really beautiful. It's really nice. I'm amazed, you know. We've seen a lot of things. Some people use clay, but these people have come out with something nice. They use glasses. Instead of breaking them, throwing away, they make a good use of them. You know, they put flowers. We have the glass stones. Yes, they put water there. So this is really beautiful.
We make this by our hands. We craft it. First, we get bottles, we crush them, melt them. When it's melted, we craft it and make this. And then after making this, like he's working over here, create something like a bracelet, so which is like a second product. Yeah, so he's also a community member from where our studio is in Sheraton, and we try to empower with using glass, like glass recycling.
For how long have you been doing this?
We've been doing this since 2017. This is recycling glass, and we try as much as to, address a lot of issues using art. So you have gender balance, you have domestic violence. You can name it. Kids not going to school. We have a children's library at our studio. So I would actually invite you to come and visit our studio in Chebando. Feel free, and you can get to see the kind of creative work we're doing.
So you're working working with a lot of people.
Yes, we do write with a lot of different age of people. Yeah.
Okay. And I'm seeing behind there are arts, different types of arts. How do you make that?
That art is done by our colleague artist. It's called Bernard. So our studio, it's also recycling the papers, like recycling fully the bottle, recycling the plastic. So we don't only much work with glass, but we incorporate glass with other waste materials. And also be like, how can we paint when we have no paint? You know, an artist shouldn't be like created because there is paint. There's material, there's waste material. Can we tap into that?
Okay, so on this day, like the World Music Day, you expect people to come and see this and buy in case someone wants to get something from here. How much, like this glass, how can someone see, like how expensive is it? Because it's nice and it's made out of a bottle, wallet bottle. So in case someone is interested, how much is it?
So this, we bring the business here because we want to network. One, also grow the concept of recycling and upcycling to save our environment. Two, the entrepreneurial part is that to cut for you this with your own bottles, it is 5K. Buy it here, it will be 10,000. Self-realization as a youth, what do you really want to achieve? Because we live in a society right now which has a lot of things that blindfold us, and we get to want to please everyone, you know. As youth, we should learn, like, first let's get to understand what exactly do we want to achieve before we impose it onto other people. Because, like, when you start a project like this, you may say it's only for the youth, but you may not know that someone older than you may inspire you much more in the project. So one is that youth should do research. Research is very key. Then after research, try out and seek information, like from people who have done the same business before. You know, two, don't be scared to take a risk. You know, we're much held up by taking risks, and also we take risks to show that we have taken risks so that we should be supported. No, take the risk because you can endure the risk. So I feel that we have a lot of creativity and we have a lot of entrepreneurship, which the world is going into and which is running the world right now. And all this can be, art can be tech, art is connected with tech, art is connected with quite a wide range of things. So I feel more creative youths out there who are really being held up, they should search for such events like World Music Day, where they can interact with both the international and the locals, and also see that you don't need only to be appreciated at home, maybe also someone abroad that really appreciates what you do.
All right, Massimo, of course you've heard what he has told us. He has explained each and everything, the price, the materials he used, everything we've heard from him, and I think it's really good. The inspiration he has given to the youth, it's really nice. Please get that. Youth, let's love to work. That's what I can tell you. Yes, you're still on G Live Show, and we are bringing a lot of things. Don't miss.